Let's talk about the inspection of a pale tongue and red tongue. The color of tongue. Under normal conditions, the body of the tongue is light red in color. There are 5 abnormal colors of the tongue. First is pale white. This is paler than the normal light red, more white than red, sometimes without red. It results from deficiency of both qi and blood, or depletion of yang qi, with loss of the motive force for blood flow. In both cases, blood is unable to flow upward and nourish the tongue. Thus, a pale tongue indicates an illness of deficiency or cold. A pale and small tongue suggests deficiency of both qi and blood. A pale, fat, and tender tongue suggests gradual decline of qi. As seen here in the photo, we have 2 different photos of pale tongues. So if the pale tongue is slightly red or bloodless color, and it is thin, small, pale, then its illness of deficiency or cold, it is also deficiency of both blood and qi. But if it is a pale tongue, slightly red or bloodless color, but plump and tender, then it may be a deficiency of yang qi. Now let's talk about the red tongue. A bright red color of the tongue develops when heat excites qi and blood so that they flow more vigorously. As blood fills the vessels to capacity, it also collects in the tongue and gives the tongue the red color. A red tongue indicates heat. If the tongue is red and rough or hairy and has a thick yellow coating, it suggests exogenous heat. If it is red, plump, and tender and has scant coating or fissured or smooth without coating, it suggests endogenous deficiency heat. Red in the tongue tip indicates strong fire in the heart. Red in the sides of the tongue, blazing fire in the liver. And red in the middle of the tongue, strong heat in the middle jiao. In this photograph, we see that the red is at the tip mostly of the tongue. So if we have a red tongue with redder than normal, and it is rough and red, hairy, thick, and yellow coating, the illness of heat, then it may be accumulation of heat dampness. If it is red tongue and tender and red, slight no coating or with fissures, then this may be due to heat due to yin deficiency. If it is a red tongue with the red tip and sides are red, then this means heart fire flaring up, liver and gallbladder fire. If the middle portion of the tongue is red, then this means strong heat in the middle jiao. Thank you for listening.